Now we will see the list tags. As the name implies, these tags are used to display contents in the list fashion. There are three kinds of lists: an order list, and definition list. List items in an order list are included within list tags. Attributes of an order list tag are type. Type specifies bullet type of list. The available options are square, circle, disk. Disk is the default. Order list. Order lists are automatically incremented for each item. By default, they start with numbers, but we can use A or I. If you specify A, they start with A. If you specify I, they start with Roman numbers. Start. Start attribute. Start attribute is used to start a list from a certain number. Finally, ordered and unordered list may be nested. That is, we can place a list within another list. Definition list. Definition lists are delimited by DT and DD tags. Now we will see the example which includes all these three types of lists. This is the example file which includes all three types of lists. This is the unordered list, and this is the order list, and this is the definition list. In the unordered list, I set the type attribute to square, and in the order list, I set the type attribute to A, so it will start from A. Now we will see how it will be displayed in the browser. These are the three types of list: unordered list, order list, and finally definition list. Now we will see how to add images to web page. We can add images to your page with the image tag. This is the syntax of image tag. A source attribute specifies the name and location of the image file. The attributes of image tag are width, height, alt, align, border. Width specifies the image width, and height specifies the image height. Alt specifies the alternate text in case the image file is not available. Align specifies the alignment of the image. Border specifies the border width of the image. Let us see an example on this image tag. This is the example HTML file which includes the image tag. Here I specified person.jpg as the source file, and alternate is person. This will be displayed if the file is not available. And I specified the width as 100, height as 150, and border as 2. Now we will see the image in the browser. Here we got the image. Now we will see how to create links. As the name implies, these are used to make a link to a part of page or to another page. The link tag A is also known as the anchor tag. Here are the two examples. The first example makes a link to a parent of the page, part of the page, and this example makes a link to another page. The target attribute specifies the location where to display the reference link page. The available options are blank, self, top, parent. Now we will see example on the links. This is the example of anchor tag. Here I am specifying list.html file to open. Here I am creating a link to list.html file. Whenever you click list example, it will open the list.html file. Let us see how it will display in the browser. This is the link we created. Whenever you click on this, it will open the file. It opened the list.html file. Now we will see tables. Tables can be extremely useful for organizing data or controlling layout. A table is made up of rows and cells. Each row needs to have at least one cell. Table tag specifies the table, tr specifies the table row, and td specifies table data, and th specifies table header. The attributes of table tag are border, cell padding, cell spacing. Border specifies border around table. Cell padding specifies margin inside cells. Cell spacing specifies space between cells. Width specifies the width of the table. Align specifies the alignment of table related to page. Attributes of table row, table header, and table data are busy color, width, align, v-align. These are the common properties. Busy color specifies the color of row or cell background. Width specifies the width. Align specifies the horizontal alignment. V-align specifies vertical alignment. Two additional attributes of table header and table data tags are row span, call span. Row span specifies the number of rows cell should span. Call span specifies the number of rows cell should span. Let us see an example showing a table. This is the example of table tag. Here I am specifying table border equal 1, width equal 60%, align equal center. The caption tag is used to set the caption to a table. And in the first table row I am specifying busy color to yellow. At last I am specifying call span equal 3. That is to span to up to 3 columns. Okay, we will see how it will be displayed in the browser. Here you got your table. In the code we specified the row span attribute to 3. So it span to 3, call span. It span the 3 columns.